Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Audi Q7. The 2026 Audi Q7 is here, redefining the standards for luxury SUVs with its sleek design, sporty performance, and high-end features. Combining the spaciousness of a three-row SUV with the spirited driving dynamics of a sedan, the new Q7 is poised to impress. The 2026 Audi Q7 offers an engaging driving experience that feels more like a sporty sedan than a bulky SUV. With its refined handling, upscale materials, and advanced technology, this SUV doesn't just transport, it elevates every journey. Audi has refreshed the Q7's design and features to ensure it remains at the forefront of innovation. Notable updates include a redesigned grille and sleeker headlamps for a bolder look, tail lamp enhancements that add a modern touch, new color options and stylish wheel designs, updated interior with fresh upholstery and trims, an upgraded infotainment system featuring Spotify and Amazon Music integrations for seamless entertainment on the go. The cabin of the 2026 Audi Q7 is a testament to Audi's commitment to luxury. Its minimalist design is paired with cutting-edge technology, creating a sophisticated and inviting space. High-quality materials and precise craftsmanship define the interior, from the entry-level premium trim to the top-tier versions. The seats offer exceptional comfort, with ample support and adjustability to accommodate all passengers. Cargo space is competitive, even with the third row in use. The power controls for folding the rear seats add a layer of convenience, though the second-row operation could be more streamlined. A 261 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder with a 12-volt hybrid system is standard and should satisfy all but the most discerning drivers. Those seeking more punch will be more interested in the turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that incorporates a 48-volt hybrid system and makes 335 horsepower. Despite its bulk, when the Q7 is fitted with the optional performance tires on 21-inch wheels, it feels low and lithe, like a pumped-up sport wagon. The adjustability of the optional air suspension, paired with the added agility of four-wheel steering, makes the Q7 surprisingly fun to flog down a twisty back road. During our drive of the updated 2026 model, the price of the 2026 Audi Q7 starts at $61,795 and goes up to $79,195 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.